If you're using Linux on a laptop or your system has a wireless adapter connected to it, you can connect to your network with Wi-Fi. I have a Wi-Fi adapter connected to my machine here, and when I go into Settings and Wi-Fi, I can see the networks around me. I'm able to connect with one and type in its password. And when I'm connected, I can click the gear icon to see some more details. Most of these are the same for an Ethernet connection. While support for Wi-Fi adapters in Linux has gotten better recently, there are some adapters out there that need additional software to work or are just not compatible with Linux. Be sure to search the model of your adapter and the term Linux to see how compatible it is. Or if you're looking to buy one, make sure it lists Linux compatibility before you purchase it.